Hello everyone, this is John Diaz here. It's snowing and it's pretty heavy at times. I'm just getting into the Blue Knob Ski Resort. I'm curious to see if I'll make it up this driveway. I just came back from the bottom part around the Altoona area, and it was pretty much, for the most part, just like snow showers over there. I mean, even here it's not sticking on the roadway yet, but who knows what it's looking like up above in the higher elevation. The temperature right now is about 35 degrees, but with the windshield it's about 17, I believe. I was just looking at the extended forecast, and looks like it's gonna warm up. Yeah, the interesting thing is that it's not quite sticking, but I felt the roadway real slick right now. The tires were kind of spinning. Look at that, right now the tires are just spinning, so it's icy. Hope I make it up this hill or up the mountain here. Right now I'm just totally slipping. Well, the reason it's slippery is because it's like a wet snow, and the ground's really cold and the temperature's cold, so it's just becoming icy. I'm assuming that a little while longer with that type of cold and freezing over underneath, and then it might start sticking. I think it's like 2 in the morning. These tires are fairly new, so it's gripping pretty good. But I hope it makes it up. definitely a lot windier up here. Well, as of now, it's just a heavy snow shower, but at some point, I'm sure it'll start sticking, and I think the snow plower is coming on down. Yeah, he was plowing and applying something. Man, I hope he's careful down that hill because it was icy. Well, he has a four-wheel drive truck and he's got the plow down, so. Yeah, it's starting to stick to the road up here. I'll do a follow-up video, see what it's looking like in the after sunrise. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little adventure. I'm sure there might be an audience around the world watching this where they probably get no snow at all, so that way they can have an understanding. I'm going to go ahead and drive to the ski top, and I'm sure up there the road's probably covered over. Yeah, the road here is covered, so it's going to accumulate pretty fast at this pace that it's falling at. Well, I'm not going anywhere. Oh man. That's where the all-wheel drive makes